Hey there, welcome back to this channel, where we'll be discussing everything related to adult life. I hope you all are doing well. I am going to share with you 5 habits to start in your 20s. Habit number 1. Make your bed when you first wake up in the morning. There are many scientific reasons for this. It gives you a sense of accomplishment first thing in the morning. It gives a boost of motivation to accomplish other tasks. Your bedroom gets tidier, and before you know it, there is less clutter. A clutter-free room puts you in a great mindset. Doing the little things religiously is a stepping stone to bigger endeavors. Habit number 2. Have breakfast. Making your mom proud should be the only argument, but there are so many benefits recorded when you have breakfast first thing. You end up consuming less fat during the day. You can make it very healthy with some soup, a smoothie, spinach egg, and so on. It is the easiest way to get healthier when you have a nutritious meal. You get a good amount of energy, and you are ready to seize the day. Habit number 3. Sticking to a budget. First and foremost, you need to learn how to set up a proper budget. There are many ways to do it. Zero-sum budget is the most effective way to have a hold of your money. You need to list out every single recurring expenditure. Your bank statement is a great way to start. Then, know how much you are earning, and track every single transaction. It is important to know that a budget helps you more with discipline than achieving wealth itself. It takes about 4 months to master a budget. So, do not get discouraged if you do not grasp it right away. Practice makes permanent. Habit number 4. Visit a primary care doctor for yearly checkup. Yes, adults should see a physician, and carry on your childhood doctor visits. This will help you to take care of various health concerns and questions you may have. The physician can monitor certain chronic diseases such as diabetes and recommend you to specialists for certain treatment. Prevention is key. It is never too early to think about these matters. So have a physician that you trust. Habit number 5. Cultivate great relationships. This one is not too obvious. Think about it. You went through your school and university having some kind of stability. You have the same group of friends with common interests. After graduation, you may move out of town or country. You are starting over, and suddenly you have to make new friends and build from scratch. There are easy ways to do it. You can join your local chamber of commerce, find meetup groups, and volunteer at food banks, for example. It will take you a minute to get it. Do not be discouraged and isolate yourself. Go out there. Learn how to talk to people and develop great emotional intelligence skills. I hope you enjoyed this video, and surely leave in the comments sections down below anything small or big that you have learned so far. No judgment zone, and be kind to each other. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll catch up with you in the next video.